Alright, today let's learn about inscribed angles. So some main ideas for inscribed angles. So for this example that we're looking at, this inscribed angle is going to be inscribed angle ABC. So an inscribed angle is an angle with this vertex on the circle with the two sides that are chords. So I'll write this in a different color for you guys. Good heavens. So the vertex is on the circle, so that means that this is going to be my vertex for the angle. And then the two sides are the chords. The chords are what we've been working with since yesterday. An intercepted arc is the arc that lies between the endpoints of an inscribed angle. So the intercepted arc for this example that we're working with is going to be this one right here. It's the arc AC. So when I'm referencing the intercepted arc of angle ABC, it is arc AC. The measure of the inscribed angle is equal to half of the measure of the intercepted arc. That means that whatever this is, angle ABC is half of this. So angle ABC in red is half of the angle measure of arc AC. So that means that this is 2A. Let's just call this 2x. This will only be worth x. Right? Half of the intercepted arc. We have a couple of special cases. So whenever we are intercepting a diameter, so looking at this example, this is our diameter. If we are intercepting this diameter, arc BAC will be equal to 90 degrees. So if an inscribed angle intercepts a diameter, then it is a right angle. We also have overlapping arcs. So if two inscribed angles intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent. And this is a little bit hard to see, but let's see if we could do the same thing. Congruent. So looking at this circle, let's do angle ABD. Okay, so let's do this point and this point. So I could look at angle ABD uses the same endpoints AD, but also angle ACD. They also use the same two red endpoints. That means that the two angles, inscribed angles, are equal to each other. So angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Alright, let's go through some examples and then you guys can try some on your own. Let's start off with the first one. I guess I will do 1, 3, and maybe 1, 4, and 6. Alright, starting off with the first one, we got find the measurement of angle WXY. WXY. So this is the inscribed angle. We know that the arc is 62. So measurement of angle WXY is equal to half of the measure of the intercepted arc, which is WY. So half of 62 will be equal to 31. Right, and this is the intercepted arc. If that arc is 62, that means the inscribed angle is going to be half of 62. Alright, let's jump on to number, let's do number 3. Number 3, I have find the measurement of PQR. So PQR. So this one's a special case because it intercepts this diameter. PR is diameter. That means in this special case, whenever we are intercepting a diameter, that means this is 90 degrees. And this makes sense because if this is a diameter, that means that this angle right here, oops, let's use a different color. Right here, this arc is half of a circle, a semicircle. So this is 180 degrees. That means half of 180 degrees is 90 degrees. And let's go ahead and let's try number 6. So number 6, ooh, this one's a mess. Let's see what we know. RST, RUT. Okay. Alright, so we do need to know, alright, we know this one, 64. We know this one's 139. We know this one's 75. That means in order to find this green one, I'm going to subtract it from 360. So 360 minus 64 minus 75, that's a 7, minus 139 is equal to, I'm going to use the calculator. 360 minus 64 minus 75, right? 360 minus 64, 75 minus 139, 82. So this inscribed, this intercepted arc is 82. That means that the angle, the inscribed angle, which is here and here, this is 82. That means this is half. This will be 41. This will also be 41. So RST, let's do here. RST is 41. And then RUT is also 41. Alright, go ahead and try it 2, 4, and 5 and check your answers. Actually, I will also do 7. I'll do 7. That way you can check 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, and 8. Alright, number 7, solving for x. So I know that this is for this angle, and I know that this arc right here is 158. That means I can set up my equation as 8x minus 9. Ooh, let's do that in blue. 8x minus 9 is equal to half. So 1/2 of 158. 1/2 of 158 is 79. So 8x minus 9 equals 79. 8x equals 88. X equals 11. Alright, go ahead and try 2, 4, and 8.